And welcome back. Well, it was a little bit of a warm day across our viewing area, but we had some clear skies for most of it. Some golfers out at the Hattiesburg Country Club taking advantage of the nice weather, at least earlier today. This afternoon temperatures, yeah, we did warm up into the lower 90s, so we were a few degrees above average for this time of year, 93 to be exact. You can see 91 is our normal, 71 for this morning's low. Nowhere near our records. That is the good news. No precipitation today. Most of it stayed down to our south. Very spotty precipitation. We'll still keep a slight chance going through tonight. 74 degrees. Again, thunderstorm in spots. Notice this where though early on over the next couple of hours, that threat will be diminishing rather quickly. Winds out of the southwest. Pretty calm too, right near 5 miles per hour. And for your Tuesday, be much like today. Again, going to have plenty of moisture being drawn up from the Gulf of Mexico. Showers and thunderstorms mainly during the afternoon, evening hours. Again, that does include us. Now, some models are trying to keep it a little bit further to our south. I'm still pretty confident, though, we're going to see some, at least across a portion of our viewing area. You can see those winds will be out of the west-northwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Temperatures warming on up into the lower 90s. And then, unfortunately, yeah, the heat is back, and it is going to stay back for a while right now with our heat index values approaching that 105-degree mark. It is just nasty is all I got to say for it. Out to the west is that high pressure. Just been sitting there. We talked about it all last week as well. It really hasn't moved. It's moved to the south and to the east a little bit. That's really about it. Now, it is going to start more quickly, I should say. Can't really get much slower than stationary. Moving to the east, and that's going to start bringing in the heat and building it back in very slowly. So over the weekend and stuff, temperatures are going to warm up even more, maybe a few degrees. But at this point, yeah, anywhere between 90 to 95 degrees is just plain hot outside. Here's our radar and satellite over the past several hours. Again, shower and thunderstorm activity very, very scarce, mainly down to our south, as well as those clouds. We had a few of those earlier today. That's pretty much it. And here's one of our models, again, keeping a slight chance for thunderstorms tonight. You notice it has some popping up to the east of Jackson. And then it keeps most of it down to our south going into tomorrow. But notice right near the Gulf Coast, a better chance of showers and thunderstorms again as that moisture kind of roars back in from the south. We're still having that northwesterly flow aloft. That's actually what's kind of helping keep us clear, as well as also bringing a little bit of dry air, and that's kind of mixing down to the ground from the mid-levels. And so our dew points are staying in the 60s. That's also helping to lessen our chance for showers and thunderstorms. So we'll take that. And later this week, again, that high pressure starts moving more off to the east. So hot conditions just on off to our west. These will be moving on in as well, and still overall going to be humid. So just ready for that. Here is our outlook for the weekend into next week. We have a pretty good chance of being above average. This color right here is about a 50% chance for that. So expect it to be pretty warm, at least on your 7-day forecast. So your weather brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. Here we go. We'll be in the lower 90s for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Notice those precipitation chances are up there, 40 to 50%. As we go into the weekend, that's just a high confidence of we're going to have some showers and thunderstorms. Overall, accumulations should remain relatively low. Our best chance would be on Saturday. Temperatures still in the mid-90s throughout the weekend.